Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about Tonpick Withdrawal, how to withdraw from Tonpick correctly without making mistake. How can one withdraw from Tonpick successfully without making mistake? In this video tutorial, I will show you guys and walk you guys through on step by step on how to place or make a withdrawal from Tonpick. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you're hearing my voice for the first time or you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas here on daily basis on my channel. All you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and turn the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Then at the end of this video, if you're not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us for more business tips, more business ideas, money making updates on daily basis. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can use it to join us. Okay, before I proceed with this video, I will love to lay a clear disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice, as the result may vary based on the usage. So this video does not guarantee you any result. I am not a financial advisor. This is my total disclaimer. So therefore, you are advised to always make your own research before using any platform. So before I proceed to show you guys how to withdraw from Tonpick, I will briefly talk about what Tonpick is basically all about for the sake or for the purpose of those hearing about Tonpick for the first time. So what is Tonpick all about and how does it work and what are the purposes of Tonpick, and is Tonpick a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise? So all these things we are going to be looking into in this video tutorial without any compromise. So what is Tonpick? Tonpick is a hourly faucet crypto mining platform where one can either take surveys, play games, or participate in hourly faucets to accumulate ton coin. How real is this and how legit is this? So how does it work? For one to start earning or accumulating points on this platform, he or she needs to understand the purpose you are using it. So why are you using this platform? So this platform is a multi-purpose platform that contains survey and games, which means that this platform, one can use it for either entertainment purposes, one can use it for either learning purposes, educational purposes. So if you are the type that like games, so one can play games on the platforms. If you are the like that like taking surveys, one can also take surveys on the platform. So when one is taking survey on the platform or when one is participating in the hourly faucet, he or she might get rewarded with ton coin, and then after he or she has earned that ton coin, can it be withdrawn? That is the question, and that brings to us the withdrawal tutorial on this video. So how can one withdraw on this video or on this platform? So this is how to withdraw from Tonpick. So to place your withdrawal, one need to have the minimum, need to meet the platform minimum withdrawal, which is 0.1 ton. And now to do that, you need to have your ton wallet ready. You can use one can use Tonkeeper, one can use Telegram wallet, one can use my ton hoop. Any ton address one has, he or she can use it for withdrawal. So how do we do it? Now to withdraw, come to this three dots here, then click on this three dots. So when you click on this three dots, click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, scroll down. Now this is where people get it wrong. Which network are we talking about here? The network the platform is talking about here is the Ton network. So now the withdrawal address. Now we are going to copy the withdrawal address. Now I will go to my Tonkeeper and copy my withdrawal address. So I will copy my Ton address. So when you copy Ton address, I will go back and then I will paste it here. So now that I've pasted it here, the next thing is to enter the amount I want to withdraw, if it is the minimum, if it is the maximum. So I would love to withdraw the everything I have in my account. So I will click on maximum. So now since I've clicked on maximum, now this place here they're talking about tags. For example, let's say one is using a Ton wallet that has or require memo code before withdrawal can be made using that wallet. But if you are using a wallet for like example like the Tonkeeper that does not ask for that, then you can easily skip this one. So now what next? I will click on verify I'm a human being. So I'll click on verify I'm a human being, and then I will now click on withdraw. So now I have clicked on withdraw, and now they have sent a mail to me, to my account. Now this mail they sent to your account, if you are making first withdrawal, please take note, if you are making first withdrawal, a mail will be sent to the email address you use for the registration, or you use on the registration on this platform. So what am I going to do now? Please do take note that this video is meant for educational purpose only. So we are going to your email address to check. So when you go to your email address, you will look for the code. The link. So this is it now. You can see Tonpick game confirmation. So the purpose of this is it is for security purpose. They want to be sure that this withdrawal is made by the owner or of the account. So you will open it, and then when you open it, then you can see the option of confirm withdrawal. Then click on confirm withdrawal. So when you click on confirm withdrawal, it will automatically take you back. Then withdrawal confirmed. Now to check if this has been initiated successfully, you go back to the three dots, and then you click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you scroll down, you can see that it is now pending, but before it was showing confirmed. So this is how to initiate or place withdrawal on Toncoin. Now talking about if on Tonpick, talking about if Tonpick is legit or scam platform. Is Tonpick a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise? Well, from my own experiences and investigation, as the time I was making this video, from my investigation, no one has reportedly been scammed by this platform. So reason being that this platform does not ask people to invest money or deposit money. So this is basically a survey-based platform. The hourly faucet they included here, from my own experiences and my own thought, is to keep people coming back to the platform to perform tasks or to play game, just to keep people active on their site. And that's the reason for this hourly faucet. So this hourly faucet, one can claim it when it ends by scrolling down, and you can see it here. So once you scroll down and it ends, one can claim it here. So I think the platform use that means to reward their user for being active on the platform. So in conclusion, this is basically a survey based platform and a gaming based platform, entertainment pack platform. So this site is a pure entertainment platform. So these are the things we need to take note of. So if you are using it for reward purposes and you want to place withdrawal, so this video is a tutorial on how to withdraw. So is it legit? Well, from my own personal experiences and investigation, at the time I was making this video, when I came across this platform, I decided to test it to see if what people are saying about this platform is actually real or not. So when I saw people making reviews, giving positive review on Trustpilot, I say, let me test it out to see if what people are saying is true or just another hype. And then when I tested it, well, so this is my own result. At the time I was making this video, Tonpick has been confirmed legit. However, does not mean they are going to remain legit forever, as the platform has right to stop and they can change at any time. So therefore, always make research before using any platform. So this is my advice to anyone watching my video. Always make research before using any platform, and always know the reason why you are using any platform. Like I said, this is a pure entertainment pack platform where one can play games, take surveys. Some people take survey for entertainment, for realization, for learning, while some people play video games for enjoyment, for fun, for entertainment. So these are the things you need to take note. So have you been using this Tonpick, and what are your own personal experiences? You can also share your own thoughts, your experiences, and your opinion in the comment section of this video. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. A lot of people don't know how to withdraw from this platform, and this video might be helpful to many. So don't forget to use the share button to share this video, and thank you for sharing this video. If you have another question, you can also comment below. I remain Sparky.